Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to explore some key phrases for everyday conversations that you can use when talking about various topics. Let's start with phrases for talking about time. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 4:30. It's 5:45. It's noon. It's midnight. It's early in the morning. It's it's the middle of the day. It's the beginning of the week. Moving on to some phrases for talking about food. What's for dinner? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Can I have a glass of water? I'll have the chicken. And I'm a vegetarian. I'm allergic to nuts. Can I have the menu, please? Oh, the food was delicious. Can I have a to-go box? Now let's explore some phrases for talking about travel. Where are you going on vacation? I'm going to Europe. I'm flying to Paris. I'm taking a road trip. And I'm staying at a hotel. I'm renting a car. I'm going sightseeing. I'm going on a cruise. I'm backpacking through Asia. I'm going on a guided tour. Next, let's look at some phrases for talking about work. What do you do for a living? I'm a teacher. I work in finance. I'm a nurse. I'm a chef. I'm a student. I'm self-employed. I work from home. I have a meeting. I have a deadline. Now let's explore some phrases for talking about relationships. Are you married? Do you have a boyfriend, girlfriend? How long have you been together? Are you single? Do you have children? How many siblings do you have? Are you close with your family? Do you have any pets? What's your relationship like with your parents? Are you in a long-distance relationship? Moving on to some phrases for talking about health. I'm feeling sick. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. I have a stomachache. I have a cold. I have allergies. I need to see a doctor. I need to go to the pharmacy. Next, let's look at some phrases for talking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading. I like to go hiking. I love to cook. I'm into photography. I play the guitar. I'm a fan of painting. I like to watch movies. I enjoy gardening. I love to travel. Now let's explore some phrases for talking about technology. Do you have a smartphone? What's your favorite app? Do you use social media? I need to charge my laptop. I'm having trouble with my Wi-Fi. Can you help me set up my email? I need to update my software. I'm running out of storage space. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot from us. See you again soon. Don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all our new content. Thank you for watching.